Hi guys, welcome to mrktutorials. In this new modern world, everyone owns multiple smart devices. In day-to-day life, our day probably starts with stopping alarm of our mobile phone, and after getting ready, we put smartwatch to our wrist. Later, we eat breakfast watching our smart TV. We open our laptop for office work, and at the day end or before going to bed, we might read a book or watch comedy show in our tablet. Suppose I wanted to start a business and the application I make for it needs to be accessed from every possible device like my mobile phone, my tablet, or PC, or even my smartwatch. Then what should I do? I should have a team who can design for each of the device individually, and that is not the big one. And the real big thing is finding an appropriate tech stack which can fulfill my design and ideas, and also need to find individual tech stack for each device type, and then find a developer team for each individual device type tech stack, which will be definitely costing more. Suppose the developer team of mobile device type wants same set of design integrations as like of website, then the developer team of mobile cannot grab easily the code and integrate them from the developer team of a website, especially if they are at the different tech stacks. So I will be looking for one technology or one programming language which can solve this cross-platform support, especially while I am developing, as it decreases development time and I can deliver fast. So I chose Dart. What is Dart? According to Wikipedia, Dart is a client-optimized programming language for apps on the multiple platforms. It is an object-oriented, class-based, garbage collected, strongly typed language with C style syntax. And why are we talking about Dart in a Flutter video? Because Flutter is an open source UI software development kit and its apps are built using Dart. That is, Flutter uses programming language Dart. And by the way, the Flutter was introduced by Google. So Flutter is Google's SDK for crafting beautiful, fast user experiences for mobile, web, and desktop from a single code base. And since Flutter is backed by Google and its team, it has a good code fixes. I think Google has done a great job building Flutter, and they continue making this framework even better. Flutter combines the quality of native apps with the flexibility of cross-platform support. And another good news is Ubuntu makes Flutter default choice for future desktop apps. So by this we can understand that we can make applications with Flutter not only in Windows, Mac, Linux, mobile, and also everywhere, even in web. And that doesn't mean there are no limitations for this framework, but it can be a good choice for many businesses who wants to develop cross-platform app in the low time. So that's it guys. This is the simple reason why I started liking Flutter. And I think we should consider learning Flutter in 2021. Though Flutter has no large amounts of community at present, but I think people are started liking it and many startups started migrating to Flutter, especially creating mobile apps. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video might help you to decide if you want to choose Flutter for developing your mobile apps or any apps. Please do like and subscribe, and don't forget to watch our videos on our channel. Thank you.